Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you guys a new blog that I just put up. I had this video up a while ago, but I decided I would blog it for those who can't view the video. So I'm just reviewing the Brother Sewing Machine LX3817. And then you can scroll through my blog. I have a video there for you. Also, I just wanted to show you guys the navigation on my page. So on the right side, you'll see old blog posts. And that's just if you want to go through my old blog posts that I've already done. So with each title, you'll see it on the side. So I have 5 for July. So welcome to Hmong Creations. And then the next one is how to make the Hmong purple hat. And the next is rare Hmong beaded necklaces. The next is the Hmong folktale The Promise, a short film that I made that's animated. And then this one, the review of the Brother Sewing Machine. I hope that I'll be able to blog at least once a week, maybe once or twice a week, but maybe just once a week at least. And just to let you guys know what I'm up to and new things that are going to come. So on the side also you'll see Hmong Creations. So I have my Etsy shop link there, my Facebook link, Instagram and YouTube channel on the side in red. Also on the right side you'll see my Etsy shop listings there. So I have 5 listings and that's updated every time I make a new listing. So if you're interested in seeing anything that's new, it will be on that side. Also on the bottom, you can definitely post a comment, leave comments. I don't know if you have to have a Google account. Hopefully, I think there's a way I can change that, but it looks right now you have to have a Google account. So feel free to share a comment with me. And again, there I have all my links on there if you need quick access to any of those. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys around my blog, hmongcreations.blogspot.com. I also have it through hmongcreationsllc.com. So if you type that in, then it'll link you back to this website. So thanks for looking. Thanks for reading through. Let me know if you have any topics you want me to go through or talk about.